It feels like every few months, the action camera space gets pushed a little closer to its limit. And now, all eyes are on something new, the Insta360 LUNA Ultra. Not officially launched yet. Not fully confirmed in public detail. But already generating serious attention across creator circles, leak communities, and early tester discussions. Because if even half of what's being discussed turns out to be true, this isn't just another 360 camera update. It's a shift in direction. The LUNA Ultra is expected to sit at the very top of the Insta360 lineup, above current flagship models like the X series, targeting creators who need more than just 360 capture. We're talking about a device that's being positioned less like a consumer gadget and more like a compact production tool. One of the biggest rumored changes is in imaging performance. Early information suggests a move towards significantly larger or more advanced sensors compared to previous Insta360 cameras. The goal isn't just higher resolution, it's better real-world image quality, especially in low-light and high dynamic range scenes. And that matters, because 360 cameras have always had a compromise problem. They look incredible in daylight, but struggle once lighting gets difficult. The LUNA Ultra appears to be aimed directly at that weakness. Another area being heavily discussed is processing power. Insta360 has been steadily improving its AI stitching, stabilization, and subject tracking systems. But with LUNA Ultra, expectations are for a major jump, faster onboard processing, cleaner stitching lines, and more intelligent subject isolation in 360 environments. That could open the door to smoother post-production workflows, especially for creators who rely on quick turnaround content. Video resolution is another hot topic, but here's where expectations need to stay realistic. While some speculation online mentions extremely high resolutions like 10K capture, there is no confirmed evidence of that. What is more realistic, based on current sensor trends, is an improvement over existing flagship levels, likely focused on better oversampling and cleaner 8K class output rather than extreme resolution jumps. And that's actually more important than raw numbers. Because resolution alone doesn't make footage usable. Clarity, dynamic range, and stitching quality matter far more in real-world editing. Battery life and thermal management are also expected to improve. That's a key area for any compact 360 camera, especially when recording high-resolution video for extended periods. More efficient processing would allow longer recording sessions without overheating or performance drops. There's also discussion around new connectivity and ecosystem features. Faster wireless transfer, improved app integration, and smarter editing tools powered by AI. Insta360 has been moving heavily in that direction, turning post-production into a more automated process instead of manual editing. But perhaps the most important question isn't what features it will have. It's what category it's trying to define. Because the LUNA Ultra doesn't look like it's just trying to replace a previous model. It looks like it's aiming to blur the line between action camera, cinematic tool, and AI-assisted content engine. Still, until official confirmation arrives, everything remains in the same space: leaks, prototypes, and speculation. And that's where things get interesting. Because even before release, the Insta360 LUNA Ultra has already done something powerful. It has reset expectations. And now the real question is simple. When it finally launches, will it meet the hype? Or will it redefine it entirely?